BPJS Kesehatan, ready to be a dynamic, accountable, and trustworthy institution in realizing qualified, sustainable, equitable, and inclusive healthcare coverage. With our initiative values, BPJS Kesehatan consistently ensures that our organizational missions are fulfilled. BPJS Kesehatan has propelled Indonesia to become the fastest nation in achieving universal health coverage, UHC, globally. Today, over 276 million people, representing more than 98% of the Indonesian population, are enrolled in the National Health Insurance Program. Furthermore, as a testament to global recognition, BPJS Kesehatan has received the Good Practice Award from the International Social Security Association, ISA.
Let's continue to move forward, building a healthier and stronger Indonesia.